truck build Q&A question 11, also from Alan. Alan wanted to know, will we still be towing the Navara behind with the Predator system like we do on the bus? And the answer for that is no. I'll turn you around now. This is where our tail lift is here, and we would have to fit a tow bar back up in there, forfeiting our tail lift, and we just did not find the right solution for that with the water tanks either side during the build. Now, the Navara is for sale, and we will buy something cheaper to drive behind or drive through work periods, and we're just going to try to use the Doroti e-bike, which is up there, and the Volk, which is on the rack here, more when we are in travel mode. But yeah, we might just buy like a little buzz box. We sort of don't need the Navara with the toolboxes and things. Now we've got everything in the truck configuration, and then we've got this whole tail lift situation to deal with, which we just want to live with for a while and see how we use this tail lift and work it out from there. But long story short is I drive behind in the Navara at the moment.